The someone is single. Enjoy your session of waiting. Don't steal for less than you truly deserve. You would rather be alone than be in a toxic relationship than will just drain your whole being. Nothing is wrong with you. It is not just your time yet. Take your times and love yourselves even more. Raise your biggest dreams. Travel the world. Embrace everything about yourself because no one will do it for you. Address your insecurities because it is you alone who can conquer them. If that someone comes, then good, but if not, then you will have someone's time to date yourself. God is praying the best for you.